gardening.
Oh, this is your garden, eh?
Yeah. Backyard garden.
You got a weed plant.
I know I started from the first goat I started was that one. It was one.
One goat?
Yeah.
Or the brown one this one?
The black one over there. And then that one that lie down there, she start giving me like 3 and 4 babies.
This
one
one?
time.
This one?
The one that lie down with the two.
Yeah.
It's 4, but 2 of his baby died.
Whoa. She gave 4?
Yeah, she gave 4.
This one right here?
Yeah, that one that lie down there.
Oh, you can't get rid of her.
No.
She's the...
No.
That's 4? I know about 3, but I didn't even know
4.
kids they give 4
Yeah,
to.
4. And this little one here, you see how small she is? That's his son.
Oh. Yeah, you got a lot of ram in here.
Yeah.
If we end up by one for you.
Yeah, when they all get it. So, what I'm going to do now is put a shed on the top of this.
Halfway?
Yeah.
A quarter?
Like I'm going to part it there.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm going to pick up all these young boys and just put them to themselves and just start feeding them.
Oh. You don't want them stray?
No, I don't want them to stray. Don't make no sense you're going to raise something and then they keep straying.
Hmm. Sometimes you chop bush and throw in here?
Yeah, sometimes I chop like the basida and the lagwood kasha and they just feed on it now and then you just take out the remain and throw it away. And also bag feeding. As you can see, I need to build even some trap because I started from this, but it is not working out.
What is that supposed to be?
It's a trap.
Oh.
See?
Oh, to throw the feed in?
Yeah, so I hang it up like this. So now if I had like some big white pipes, I can just split them and just wire them on the side.
So what happened to the old time fashion way where you get the tire and cut it in half?
That is hard to get.
Oh.
Yeah. Because right now I would want to put in my pig pen. It's really hard to come by.
Yeah, it's good for the hog.
Yeah.
No, they can't destroy that for nothing. Oh boy, rank.
So like you see me buy fruits now, you know, now I eat, me come and stand in just eat.
How much head of goat you got?
Huh?
How much?
How much?
Yeah.
Alright, it's 28 now. Because I bought another one just last week.
Will you buy a female?
Yeah, she's lying there with the rope.
Oh, okay. Oh, she's a runaway, huh?
Yeah.
So you put the rope to keep her.
So I have to tie her until she get used to this patch.
Yeah.
Then I remove the rope so she can run with them while she get used to them.
I thought people mostly sell like the ram. They do sell the yo with them too.
Well, if you have as much yo, what you need, when you see someone come in and need a yo to buy, you can sell. But if you are like a young raiser like me, I wouldn't sell any yo's.
Okay.
No.
You need them to be more so you could sell.
You need them to be more. But I mean, the money is more on the ram more than the yo's.
Why is that? Because don't it like all of them is the same, like how much a pound? So you said the ram will be more?
Because most people not eating yogurt.
Yeah.
They mostly eat ram. People like ram and rice.
Yeah, ram
Yeah.
and rice.
Yeah.
Ram and rice, I never
Yeah.
heard that
So
one.
most people want when they're eating the meat, the goat meat, they smelling the rankness
Ranking.
in it. They want it
Okay.
to stand up. Yeah.
So you said that's why don't alright, well my question is, right?
Yeah.
How much a pound for goat?
Well, $800
Okay, for the sheep and for the
for the
ram, right?
for the rams.
Okay.
The yogurt, I am not so sure, but I know that the rams it's like $800 a pound when you butchered. But if it's like on foot or on scale, and I'm gonna sell like this one on scale, it's like $600
Six
because
hundred
it's
dollars a
live.
pound?
Yeah, $600 a pound because it's live.
Mm. But
But when
when
you
it's
butcher and sell, it's $800 a pound.
okay.
Yeah.
Better off butchering them. But then you have to pay the butcher, don't it?
Yeah, it's just like the bulls.
Yeah.
Bulls are much dearer than
The heifer.
the
Okay.
heifer.
Okay. Some pretty goats though.
Yeah.
So what time you let them out?
Okay. I let them out every day at 10.
Oh.
And as soon as 4 o'clock every evening after 4,
Mm-hmm.
you will just see everybody gather up.
Returning to home.
Returning. And who that is so nice to you will just come into your pen.
Mm.
Yeah.
Who wanna be bad going straight?
Yeah, everybody gonna stray.
Yeah. That's good though. Keep crowing in my video, bruh.
Yeah.
Crowing my
That's a
video.
rooster. Yeah. I did have like 85.
85 rooster?
No, not just
Oh,
rooster,
oh.
hens and rooster. And then the dog came in and take me back to about 38.
The dog ate all your
Yeah, the
chickens.
dog came in because I did gone about 9 goats. And the dog came in and bring me back at 1.
What, goat?
Yeah.
Which dog?
Dogs, people came in to work and had a dogs, called bull and they leave their dogs, went back, didn't take back their dogs. And they destroyed my farm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So dog ate off most of your goat when you just
Yes,
started?
dog, I'm done by the shop there, and all I could hear goats bawling. And when I run came up, I only saved one, and it was that black goat over there.
Yeah.
And that black goat take me back to 8.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So what about like goat teeth?
Well, the teeth, I don't really
Worry about them much
worry
like
about them much.
it's just the dogs.
It's just the dogs I worry about.
But let me ask you then, if are them a regular dogs like those?
Yes, it's regular dogs like these.
Yeah?
Whenever the times get cold,
Mm-hmm.
they need to warm up.
They
They
the blood.
just hit on the goats, suck their bloods, and that's what keep them warm.
Oh. Damn.
Yeah.
Kind of want the
Yes,
responsibility.
seriously.
Oh. Okay.
Seriously. Because even in the road there, before I built this pen, my goat used to be like in the road. And vehicle man just came in, and they blow them and they don't move. They just run over him.
Cool.
Yeah.
Run
people
over
do
what?
that. People in my community do that to me.
Do what? To
And
your
tell
goat?
me to build pen and put them in.
Oh.
So I went ahead and built a pen because I
Okay.
don't want to be in eruption with them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. And they kill, and they run
Yeah,
over your
you
goat.
know, you're a total stranger in a community. You just want to be at peace with people.
Yeah.